How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to give a hickey step-by-step in 1 minute. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So to give a hickey, it's super easy. You're literally just taking your lips and you're sucking on the area that you want to give the hickey. The technique is not the issue with the if you're unable to give someone a hickey. You're literally just taking your lips and you're sucking on the area. That's super easy. The reason why you're unable to give someone a hickey is the amount of suction, the duration of it. So what I mean by this is if you're trying to give someone a hickey for 5, 10, 15 seconds, that will not work. It takes a minimum of 60 seconds of constantly sucking on the neck or whatever area for 60 seconds straight. So 60 seconds straight of sucking on the neck area in order to give someone a hickey. Again, if you're doing it for anything less than 60 seconds, it will not work. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.